You're welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful pocket design. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so and turn on the notification bell. Also share this video widely to your friends, to your colleagues and to your enemies. Tell them about VsmDesigns. There is always something new to learn because the more you look is the more you see, and the more you see is the more you learn. Let's go there. I always like to first of all draft where the pocket is going to be and the size of the pocket. For this one, I am going to make it 4.5 inches by 5.5 inches. So what I'm going to do is to cut my gum according to size. And just like I said earlier, I am making it 4.5 inches by 5.5 inches. Then after that, I am going to cut another gum of 2.25 inches. That is 2 inches and 1/4. 2 1/4 inches. The height of the gum should be the same with the height of the first one, or approximately the same height. I've just folded it in two. Then I am trimming the side, one side of it. I am making it curve, just as you can see, and this is how I'm going to place it. Then I'm going to use the one I've curved to curve the bigger gum as well. I just place it on top of it and use it to trace it out. Then the next thing we're going to do is to gum them on fabric. For this particular smaller one, you are going to trim it round from the gum and I am going to gum the second side of it using hemming gum so that it's not going to look rough. Then I will also trim it from the gum. I just marked the wrong side of that particular smaller one. Then for the big one, I am going to trim the curvy side from gum, and then I'm going to cut a strap, and of course a biased strap, so that it's going to be elastic. This is 1.5 inches. Then let's go to the machine. Now this is the wrong side that I'm facing up. Then I'm going to attach this. I'm going to use the elastic strap that I just cut to tape this round. Just tape the curvy part of the gum. Then you turn. We can now go to the table and smoothen it. I've just smoothened it and I added something here to make sure that the place looks neater, because it's going to go above the bigger one. And I've bent here as well and added hemming gum. So I am going to place it this way, making sure that the outer part of it aligns with the outer part of the bigger one. So I am going to sew it on top of it this way. Then because this will be flying this way, which is not good, I am going to run thread round it this way. Then I'm going to use the remaining strap to tap the bigger pocket, the curvy side. And as you are tapping it, make sure that you leave allowance at the top. I personally use the size of the footer to gauge what I am sewing, to make sure that the size of the tapping is uniform all over. Then I'm going to fold it. While doing this, you need to arrange it well. You need to fold it well, making sure that you have a uniform size of the tapping. You go ahead and add hemming gum to it, and you fold this very part. Then you see this very one here is very important. I'm going to trim it the more. Make sure you don't cut it very short. You can see the way I'm doing it. I just added gum there to bend it, to use it to finish this very ending. Otherwise, that place is going to be rough. So after doing it, I fixed 2 buttons on it because the buttons are bold, so I had to fix only 2 instead of 3 on the sample. And at the end, here is the result. Very beautiful pocket. Thank you for watching this video. I have a lot of videos, educative and informative videos on my channel. Do well to go through my channel and enjoy yourself. See you next time. I upload videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays, 7 p.m. Nigerian time.